Namaskara, sir.
Namaskar.
Good morning, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I'm going to change. Good morning, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay, let's wait for some time. Okay.
Yeah, hello. Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, what are you going to do today?
Today we are going to build a small maths quiz.
Ma'am, I'm going to learn how to make
Okay.
a math quiz. It's going to be so fun.
Yeah, it's going to be so fun because
Ma'am,
and what you did with animate. Yes.
Ma'am, it's so fun.
Yeah. So what you did you created your
Good evening,
animated
ma'am.
story?
Ma'am, not
Good
yet.
evening.
Ma'am, I'll create one. I know it. I'll create.
Why?
Ma'am, I created my own story. Ma'am, I had.
Oh, very good.
Ma'am, it's called Wizard and they travel from the witch's house to the mountains.
Nice work. So, hello everyone. So, we are planning to have a quiz. Okay. So, today Deepi ma'am will teach you the mathematical quiz, but
Yes.
want to have a scratch quiz maybe next Thursday. So, coming Thursday, there is a quiz just to understand, that your people are able to learn the scratch or not. Scratch program
Yes.
or not.
So we will add the slowly. Today we will add only addition function. Then later on we can add more functions, subtraction, multiplication.
Deepi ma'am, I would like to share a screen for a minute and then after
Oh,
that we can continue.
okay. Yes, you can share.
Yeah, so nothing great. Actually, we learned, so here are the, classroom expectations.
Yes.
One, I sit in my place when I'm in front of a computer, mobile, or a laptop. So, we want, whenever you're taking a class, please make sure that you're at your place. Second one, no eatable on the table while using a laptop, computer, mobile during a class. Third one, you listen to your teacher. Whenever you ask, you can unmute and then, say or raise your hand whenever you have a doubt. And will not turn on the videos unless it is asked. Okay, so we want all of you to turn off your videos. Because we don't need it. And mostly we'll be sharing the screen. So, we don't need the video. So it will be good if you can turn off your videos whenever you join the class. Okay. So these are the expectation, and I think it will be helpful if everyone follows this. Okay. Fine, Divyan. So I think that's it from my side. Now you can, share the screen.
Okay. So first of all, children, which new blocks we are going to use today? I am dragging over here in the script area. So some pick random block. Pick random block means any number between these two numbers, it will take itself scratch. Okay, and this addition and subtraction, and later on more this multiplication and division, and this one more equals to, and one more block we are going to use today. This is join block. Okay, are you listening me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so from the operator tab we are going to use today these blocks I have dragged over here. Okay, can you see? Pick random, addition, subtraction, equals to, and join. Whenever we want to join more blocks, we can join. So can you see, children? These blocks shape is different. This block shape is different. So we join the blocks according to their shape. We will learn. Okay, and one more block we are going to use today too from this sensing: ask and answer. Whatever we ask, that is the answer only we will learn. Okay, and from the control we are going to use forever block. You know already. You know, children, forever block we have used or not? No. Okay, it's okay. We are going to use today forever and if then else. And from the motion tab, we are going to use today one more go to and this glide. In glide block, the sprite will look like it is flying. And show and hide also we are going to use today. This show and
Ma'am, I've used it
sorry,
for the story.
this show and hide.
Ma'am.
Good. Okay, fine. So let's start. So what is the requirement of our quiz is, first of all, we want to change the backdrop. Okay. So our backdrop also should look like a maths quiz. So see, we want to choose a backdrop from the library. So which backdrop look like a quiz? This theater 2 we can take, or any other backdrop also we can take. This chalkboard also we can take. We'll take this. Okay. So backdrop is there. Now we need today many sprites. Okay. So first of all, what I will do, I need one sprite. Not, I will paint it. So one text I want to introduce in my quiz that will say it's maths time and are you ready for maths? So what we will do, text here. So it is not writing. Now we are going to build our own sprite. So what we will do, suppose I want to write some text. It is not writing. text, not writing. Suppose I will change the color, then I will write. It is not going to write anything here. I will open it again. Yes, now it is typing. It is time for maths. It is time for maths, or we can change the color of text also. Yes, this is okay. And we can make it in center. Okay. Now this is our sprite, and this is name is costume 1. So now I want to change the costume. So costume will take from the left side. Now next costume I want to write here. Are you ready? Is this also I have to align, okay, according to the this, or we can increase the size also.
And the spelling is wrong.
Yes, I am correcting. Yes, now it is correct. Are you ready? So this costume name is costume 2. Okay. Now one more sprite we need. We can go to code, and one more sprite we need. That also I want to paint. That is, or I can choose from the sprite library that I need numbers. We also want to add countdown in our quiz. Okay. So numbers we can take. This is the number. And now for costume, from here we can take the costume. For costume also now I want to take numbers. So this is 2. Now next costume I want to take as a 1.
3 to 1.
Yes, 3, 2, 1. Are you following me, children? We have 2 sprites. One sprite is our text, are you ready? And this is the time for math. You can modify according to your requirement. Okay. Any text you can write here. And second sprite we have, that is 3 costume. That has 3 costume, 3, 2 and 1. Countdown will start from the 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now we need more sprites, but first we can write the code for this, or we can make the sprite also. Now this time I want to paint my sprite. We need right and wrong, because when our question is you will give wrong answer, then it will show wrong cross, and when you will give the right answer, it will show the right. Okay. So we have to paint. For right we will take the green color, and for cross we will take the blue color, sorry, red color. So for right, okay, for right we can paint it. We can paint it. See, this is our sprite. Now this is our sprite. Now next sprite I want to take. One more sprite I want to paint, not from the library. I want to paint this. Now I have to choose the red color because when our question will be wrong, it will show the cross. Take the brush from here and you can take cross. Can you see all the sprite on the stage? But
Yes,
when we will, when we will write the code, these sprites will hide. So code for our first sprite is, when the text will come na, so when green flag is clicked, as we start from the green flag always, see children, we are writing code for sprite 1 where there are two costumes. Can you see? One costume is it is time for maths and second costume is are you ready? Your quiz will ask are you ready? Then countdown will start. So we are writing code for our sprite 1. Okay. So now we will say show when green flag is clicked, this sprite 1 will be on the stage and we are saying go to the position. Also we can say suppose -46. Why minus? Or here is 10. You know na, xy coordinate plane, this stage is divided into 4 parts. This side is, for x-axis it is negative and for down it is also negative for y-axis. So this is go to. Now we want to switch costume to 1. So switch costume to 1. Which is one costume? You can see from here. First and this is costume 1. It is time for maths. Okay. Now switch costume to 1. Then wait for 1 second. Then glide. I told now we will use today glide. Glide for a 0.5 seconds, for less than 1 second. So -438 something negative we can write. You will see the change when we will run this code na, you will see the change. Now it should hide. After showing for 0.5 second, it should hide. We want it should hide. Okay. Then next costume should come. So switch costume to costume 2. Now costume 2 should go to where it should go, little bit in center only, not in center but in position, positive position, 3 to 5 and this is 10 only and it should show. This is showing. Okay. Now after showing this statement, it is time for maths or are you ready, it should go. Okay. So we want it should go. So glide, not random position, glide to glide for 1 second, you can say, for -46 to 10. We have taken always why 10. I will tell you why. Now this is for 1 second. It should wait. Then should wait for 1 second. Then glide to again. Glide to. This time we are going to put minus because minus is on left side. -4, 3, 8 and this is always 10. Why? And after gliding it should hide. So after hiding it should broadcast something for next countdown. You know na? Countdown should start. So it will broadcast new message. You can name it new message countdown. Means after this two statements our countdown should start. So let's see, we can these sprites we can keep aside so that we can see how this will work. Because we have not written the code for these three sprites, so these are coming. Okay, now let's see how it will work. When you are going to click green flag, are you ready? Have you seen when we click the green flag?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready is coming, but where is this switch costume to 2? See, only 2 costume is coming. Here we have to switch costume 1. Now again we will run. It's time for maths. Are you ready? Gliding means it will move. Slowly it will move. So can you see the difference between go to and glide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go to means immediately it will go,
Yeah,
but
ma'am.
glide,
Is sliding.
yeah, glide is like it will feel sliding or flying from one place to another. See, for costume 2, you can see it will show the place minus 46 y 10, but gliding to minus 438 and y10, and that hiding. After that it is hiding. So showing on the right side, then gliding to left side, then hiding. Okay, is it clear, children? Till here it is clear. In this
Yeah,
code,
ma'am.
any doubt?
No, ma'am.
It is time for maths. Are you ready? Or what you can do? What we can do? Costume here. This are you ready? This costume is very. We can increase the size of this costume. Because it is very small. Font is not visible. Now it is okay. And match it with the center like this. Now it will work. See, it is time for maths, and are you ready? So when it comes na costume 1, it is not coming in center. We will later on we will correct it. Now we have to write the code for countdown. Okay. So for countdown, what we will do? We will select the countdown sprite and we will start writing the code. So when green flag is clicked, this sprite should hide, because when are you ready and this is asking, so this should not be visible on the stage. So when green flag is clicked, this will hide and go to 0 0. 0 0 means, you understand now? Center.
Yes, ma'am. We understand.
Yeah. So what will happen for this 3 2 1 sprite? When green flag will be clicked, all the 3 numbers will be hide. Okay, all the 3 numbers hides and go to the center 0 0. Then what we left there? Can you see, children? After asking are you ready, it will broadcast countdown. So when this sprite will receive countdown. So here we will receive, when I receive countdown, so show. So when it will receive countdown, this sprite will show, and switch costume to, which costume should come first? Can you tell me, children? Switch costume to? Countdown start from 1 or 3?
3.
3. So,
3.
yes. So switch costume to 3.
Glow 3. Glow 3.
Yes, glow 3. Now we have to use this repeat. Then repeat after showing 3. It should wait for 1 second, because for 1 second we need this. Then what we will use? Next costume. After next costume, again wait for 1 second. Okay. Then again wait for 1 second. Then here also you have to change. It is 2 only. Because costume 3 is already there. Then it will change to costume next 2. Then wait for 1 second. Then we'll change costume to 1. Then hide. Why 2 is there, children? Got my point? Because costume 3 is already there. It has to change costume only 2 times. That's why I have written it.
To repeat again.
Yeah, so it has to repeat only for 2 times. Okay. Now after countdown, what will happen? It will broadcast new message. That message name we will write maths time. Okay. Are you following, children?
Yes, ma'am.
See children, when this will over na ki it is time for maths, are you ready? Then this sprite will broadcast one message countdown, and this countdown message will be received by the next sprite. And then when next sprite will receive this countdown, countdown will start. When the countdown will over, it will broadcast maths time. Okay. Got my point? Then where this maths time will be received, next our quiz will go there. Okay. So now we have next sprite is, or we can see how it will work first. Okay. Let's see. Is it working or not? Okay. When I click green flag, it's time for maths. Are you ready? And countdown starts. Can you see?
Yes,
Because-
ma'am. You could see it.
Yes. Because we have written code for our this sprite. Now
Ma'am,
this
can you
sprite
show the code
has-
1 second?
Yeah. Because we have written code for this sprite also. So this also has gone from here stage. Okay. Now we are going to write code for our right sprite. Okay. So what is the code for right sprite? When green flag is clicked, Suhani, come. So when green flag is clicked, so it should hide. Everyone we are saying hide because whenever we need, then on that time only they will show.
That has to go, ma'am. That has to go.
Yes, now,
Because the math quiz is stopped.
yeah, where it will go?
Ma'am, it will hide.
After hiding, where it will go?
It will go to the middle.
Any place, yeah, something positive place, or right on the rightmost side, or we can write here 36, and here also we can give 36. Okay. And when I receive right, when it should show on the stage, can you anyone tell me? When I receive new message, right? No, not countdown. Receive right. When our question is right only, that time only it should show on the stage, unless it should hide. Okay. Yes. So, and after receiving right, it shows, and wait for 1 second, and after showing for 1 second, it hides again. Okay. Same script we have to write for the cross. What we will write for cross? When green flag is clicked, it should hide and go to, same we can give, go to any positive place, 36 and 36, any place you can give, but always it should nice if it comes here in this, or you can give center also. And when I receive what new message I have to wrong. When I receive wrong, So it should show and wait for 1 second, then again hide. Okay. You will learn the concept of this when our quiz will run. Na? Okay. Now what we have to do, we need two buttons, one plus and one minus for subtraction, one for addition and one for subtraction. It means we need two more sprites. Okay. So now again I am going to paint one more sprite, that is for addition button. Okay. Now what I will do, I will draw a rectangle and I will write here with different color. What I will write? Addition. And we can addition is there only. Or I can increase the size also. Or we can do one thing, only addition we can write. Not going to write text more. Yes, now addition. This is our addition sprite. Now one more sprite we need, that is for, I will paint subtraction. Same I will do the this rectangle box. I want to change the color. What color I will take? Same color I should take, I think so. Or different also we can take. Now I will write some text on it with different color. What I have to write here, children?
And write subtraction.
Yes. Subtraction. Or I can.
And make it bigger. You can just largen it.
Yes. What we will do, we will select it. And we can make it bigger. Correct? According to your requirement, you can do, children. This is not, when you will do, you will be, but it is not coming in center. We don't want it in center. Okay, we will write the code. Skanda, so much late. Now we are going to write code for addition and subtraction. So first you select the addition sprite. Now we write the code for addition. Okay. So when I receive math time, when addition should start? When I receive one message is there na, math time. So when I receive math time, it should show this sprite we need on the stage. Show. And when I receive subtraction, then it should hide. Okay. You know na, children, when you will press subtraction, so no message is there subtraction, so we will make a new message subtraction. So when I receive subtraction, it should hide. Quickly I have to complete it. When the sprite is clicked, one more is there. When the sprite is clicked, when this sprite is clicked, which sprite? Addition. So broadcast addition. So broadcast addition. One new message I need, addition. So addition, and when I receive addition, I should hide. When I receive addition, after clicking, I will tell you, it should hide. And when green flag is clicked, it should go to, it should go to which position? Any positive position you can take. Suppose 90 and 28 I am taking. Any 30 also you can take, and it should hide also. So now I will tell you one by one. See, we have here two sprites. One is addition and one is subtraction. Okay. So I have written code for addition only. So when I will receive math time, this addition sprite will show on the stage. But when I receive subtraction, it will hide. Okay, subtraction should hide. And when I receive addition, it also hide. But when the sprite is clicked, it will broadcast addition. And when green flag is clicked, it will hide. When green flag is clicked or quiz start, but quiz start from this sprite. Okay, so this addition and subtraction sprite should hide. Now one more we have to write the same script for subtraction. That we will quickly we will write. Okay, when I receive addition, when I receive addition, it should hide. Okay, and when I receive, same we have to write. When the sprite is clicked, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast subtraction. Broadcast. See children, we are writing code for subtraction. Can you see from here? Subtraction. So when the sprite subtraction is clicked, it should broadcast subtraction. Okay. And when I receive, when green flag is clicked, go to, when green flag is clicked, go to little bit left side. So minus 45 and this anything 15, 10 you can write, and it should hide. Okay. Now when I receive subtraction, but when it receives subtraction, subtraction, that time also it should hide. And one more is there. When this sprite is clicked, when I receive math time. Math time you know na? When I receive math time, it should show. After math time, it should show. Are you getting it difficult? Now all the code is over. Only we have to write some code for stage. Addition and subtraction code only we have to write. See, we can see how it will work. When we press green flag, now all the sprite has gone. Turn by turn they are coming. One. Now these two sprites will come. So only position we have to change. All the overlapping na. So that's why we have to change the position of which sprite we have to change the position. It is time for maths. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Then this subtraction. For subtraction, we have to change the position. It is overlapping the addition. So now subtraction minus 40 in place of minus 45, I can write minus 440. Let's see now. Time for maths. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. I have to give little bit right side. So not minus 240. I will do it minus 220. Okay. It is because it is going outside the stage. Not 3, 2, 1. Now it is correct. Now whichever sprite you will click, subtraction if you will click, then subtraction question will come. If you will click addition, then addition questions will come. Okay. And that questions, that queries will come on the stage. So
Ma'am, how?
yeah, so for stage also we have to write code. First we will write, then we will run. These codes we have written for our sprite, different sprites. Okay. Sprite 1, countdown, right, wrong, and addition and subtraction. Now I have selected the backdrop stage and going to write the code for stage. Okay. So what code we have to write? When I receive addition, okay, and we have to set the numbers also. We have to make the variables number 1. Okay. Then I need more number 2, and one more I need answer. Okay, right answer. Right answer. These variables we need.
And what about wrong answer?
Wrong answer also we will do. For wrong answer, it will itself.
Yes, ma'am.
When you will unselect from here, na, it will go from the stage. Okay. Now we have 3 variables, number 1, 2, and right answer. So set the number 1 from the variable. Set my variable, which variable? Number 1 to random position, means randomly it will take. Any number it will take from between 1 and 100. Okay. Number 1, it will take randomly from between 1 and 100. Now set variable 2 also. Same. Number 2, random position. Random you understand, na? Random means scratch itself will take any number between 1 and 100. Now set answer also. Set right answer also. What is the right answer? You have to take the operator plus. Okay. And this plus operator, first number you will write number 1 and second number you will write number 2. And here you will join it. What I have done, children, again you can see I have taken the plus operator, and plus operator means we are going to add 2 numbers. Okay. So one number is from the variable you will take 1 number, and from the variable second number you will take number 2. Whatever numbers the scratch has taken itself from random position, from randomly, so that number will be here, and after adding these numbers we will get the right answer. Okay. Now we can throw it. What will be the answer? It can ask the answer. Where is the ask? This is ask. Ask. Now we have join. So join, we need 3 join. Like this you will see. 1 join here, and after second join here. So what we have to join? Number 1. See here, number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
And second place we need plus sign Then this place we need number 2. Okay. Then here we need equals to what? It will look like this. Okay. Then this we can put here. So what it will do? Number 1 plus number 2 it will ask and it will wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we need forever loop, because forever means until unless you will not press this stop button, your quiz will go on. It will keep on asking the sums, addition sums. When you want to stop your quiz, you can press the stop button. That's why I have taken this forever. And this also, if quickly I have to finish it. And now one more operator we have here, equals to this operator. Can you see this? And whenever we ask something, children, answer is already here. You can use it. If answer equals to right answer, this blue answer is whatever answer you will input in your, when it will ask. And this right answer is if the addition is correct, equals to right answer. Then we can put it this here. We have to fix it here. Can you see the shapes? Hexagonal shape fits in hexagonal shape only. And then broadcast right. What we have to do? Broadcast.
Right.
One more is there, na? Right answer. Right. Broadcast. When it will broadcast right, it will wait for 1 second. It will wait for 1 second and broadcast addition. Broadcast addition. Because why addition? Because again for second question it will ask. And if answer is not correct, then it will broadcast wrong. If answer is not correct, then it will broadcast wrong. And if wrong, also will wait for 1 second, almost completed, then you will see, and again broadcast addition. If question is wrong, then next question it will ask, na? So that's why broadcast addition. One more, we have to write little bit more. When green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to this backdrop and set number to number 1 and 2 to 0. Number 1 to 0 and number 2 to 0. See, now let's see how it will work. Then I will explain the code. When you will press the green flag, are you ready? Then it will broadcast countdown. Then countdown will go. Then countdown will say maths time. Then these two sprites as on the stage, then whichever sprite you will click, then same operator will come. If you will click addition, then addition questions it will ask. If you will, sorry?
Ma'am, can you click on one?
Yeah, because we have written code for only addition. So that's why I am going to click on addition only. See, it is asking 63 plus 81, 4114. Okay. After input your answer, you can click here. It is wrong. What is wrong? What was the answer? Answer was wrong. So now I will put
109.
9.
109.
Yes, 109. Let's see. Our code is working correct or not? Yeah.
Correct.
So now you can see,
Correct.
children, what I have done. In this quiz, I have used a lot of broadcast and receive message. Okay. So broadcast means, I will explain. See, for this sprite, I have two costumes. Costume 1 is this, it is time for maths, and costume 2 is are you ready? Okay. When you go to code, after showing these two statements, are you ready and it is time for maths, it will broadcast countdown. Countdown means after this code executed, countdown will start. Now I can show you the countdown code. When green flag is clicked, countdown numbers 3, 2, 1 all hides. Okay. And when it receive countdown, they all show one by one. What costume will show first? 3. Then it will change the costume for 1 second. Again, repeat loop is there. It will change the costume to 1. Then all the costumes will hide and they will broadcast maths time. Okay. So this maths time is received by this sprite, addition and subtraction. So that's why when I receive maths time, these sprite will show. Where it will show? This will show on the right side, addition, and that's why I have given position of showing for subtraction little bit left side, minus 220. Can you see the difference between the code of addition and subtraction? Hello children,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
can you see the difference code of addition and subtraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now addition is there and subtraction is there. So when green flag is clicked, they both hides, but when they receive, this sprite is clicked, and when they receive the addition, that time only they show, and when they receive maths time, they show. And I have written code for stage only for addition. This same code for subtraction also you have to write, then our subtraction sprite will work. Okay. I can write fast or you can do yourself. In place of addition only, you have to put the subtraction. And how was the quiz, children? Tell me. Is it complicated?
Awesome. No.
Because
It's so complicated, ma'am.
see children, it is not complicated because we have done a lot of things. We have done here countdown also. We have done here it's maths time and are
Ma'am,
you
it's
ready?
complicated because we have many sprites and glow and all.
Yes, that's why you should learn broadcast and receive blocks properly. That's why again and again I am telling you, when this will over now, it will broadcast countdown. And where countdown will be received? Where countdown is going to start. Okay, after countdown, it will broadcast maths time. And maths time will be received by the two sprites, addition and subtraction. See, when I receive maths time, they will show. Otherwise, they will hide. And when the sprite will be clicked, addition will be performed. Or it will ask the addition questions only. And this is the position.
Ma'am, should we do this?
Yes, but first of all, if there is any doubt, you ask. Whatever questions and whatever doubt you have, you can ask children. Otherwise, you will not follow this quiz.
Ma'am,
And this is yes.
Ma'am, I just don't understand why do you write like go to X90, Y26, but why do you write X90? How do you know that it's 90?
Okay. Any position you know now on the stage?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
This position is, I taught now you XY coordinate.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I will show you the change. When I write here negative, now it will be on the left side. See, you can see the change, minus 90. This also I will change, minus 28. So now you will see the change. It will come on the left side, which addition sprite. Now I am going to run it. Yes, can you see? Now this addition is on the little bit left side.
Yes,
Earlier
ma'am. Otherwise, it was on the full right side.
Yes, so positive numbers means right side. That's why I gave here positive number. Any number you can give. If you are not satisfied with the position, you can change it and again you can run it. Now you see, when I run now, it will come on the right side. Because
it just has to be far enough, not too.
yes, both should be far enough. Otherwise, they will overlap. Addition and see. Now it is on the right side. Otherwise, if you give same position go to, then they overlap each other. Okay, they cover each other.
Ma'am, so I can give a number 80 and 35, even
Yes.
like that.
Yes, you just do and try it. Now see, for subtraction what I have given? Minus. Because I need subtraction on the left side.
Yeah.
Understood?
If you need any sprite on the left side, you have to put subtract minus, and if you need it on the right side, just put the number itself.
Yes. Any other query, children? Doubt? And are you following this hide and show?
Do we have to make this, ma'am? Do we have to make this?
Sorry?
Ma'am, do we have to make this?
Yes, you have to do it. This is your homework only. I will share the script on WhatsApp and you practice it.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Okay,
from the
ma'am.
from the recording also you can see. Okay. First of all, keep in your mind how many sprites we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And for first sprite, we have 2 costumes. For second sprite, we have 3 costumes. For this sprite and this right and wrong, we don't have any other costume. For this sprite also, we don't have any other costume. For this sprite also, we don't have any other costume. Okay. And then you, in last, you will write the code for the backdrop also. Because the query and the questions are coming on the stage only. When you will do na, you will learn and you will get the more doubts and you will ask. You can ask on the WhatsApp only. Is there any other doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Can you see this code? Any doubt in this code?
Ma'am, the point is getting it so easily. It's so big and
Yes, don't be bothered about these go-to position. You can run your code as many as times you want and you can change it and you can see the difference.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this what, right? When green flag is clicked, it will hide only when it receive right answer. Then only it will show for 1 second. Can you see the code? Now are you getting? This cross also. When it will receive wrong, that time only it will show. Otherwise it will hide. When green flag will be clicked, it will hide immediately because when we are going to start the quiz, means when we are going to click green flag, it will hide. It will show unless it will receive the wrong message only. Got my point? Hello children?
Ma'am.
Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
When only it will receive wrong message, it will show. Otherwise, it will remain hide only. See, for right also, whenever it will receive right, that time only it will show for 1 second. Otherwise, it will remain hide only. And whatever code we have written for addition, Same we have written for subtraction also. Now when we go to stage, when we select the backdrop, this code is for backdrop only. When it will receive addition, it will perform addition only and it will ask addition questions. Same code here only we have to write for subtraction. That we will do next time, and even we can add more tab here for multiplication and division also. And even we can add sound also. When you are going to perform your quiz, one background sound will play. So that later on we can add, otherwise it will be too complicated. So, and even children, you can start directly from the countdown also, but same script you practice. When you will understand this properly, then you can make your own quiz. Okay? Main thing is broadcast and receive. Whatever you are going to broadcast here, the next whatever you want to perform, that will receive there only. Because after this, it is your maths time. Are you ready for maths? I want to perform what? Countdown. So this countdown will be received by the countdown sprite. Okay? So anything else, children? Any doubt? Any question?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we just explore how to make it and we'll try?
Yeah, sorry.
Ma'am, can we just explore Scratch and try making it out?
Yes, you can try.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I want to do, ma'am. I know how when you click this thing, you can go to the screen.
Sorry, one by one you ask, please. Again you ask, please. Who is asking? Hello?
Ma'am, it was me. Ma'am, it was me.
Yes, go ahead.
Vishesha, please ask.
Please ask.
Ma'am, it's not me, it's somebody else.
It's Prateek, ma'am.
Okay, Prateek, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, that's what I wanted to ask, ma'am. Whatever I told.
Okay.
Okay, can you repeat?
Yeah, can you repeat, Prateek?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I know the block when you click this sprite, then you go to that backdrop.
Okay, when I click backdrop, this code you want to see?
No, ma'am. I meant I know how to when you
Ma'am,
click
he means that example, if you go to sprite 1, then you can code and do only for sprite 1.
Yes, when you will select
No, ma'am, I
sprite
didn't
1.
mean like that. Ma'am, I meant in events you have that thing that says that when you click that sprite.
Yes, we have here one. When I, yes, this tab we have now. When I click this sprite.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when you will click subtraction, it will ask subtraction questions. When you will click addition, it will ask addition questions.
Ma'am,
But
I just have a doubt. How do you change the backdrop to that?
in the beginning only we change the backdrop. When I select this backdrop code is coming. So here I have written code for only addition. When I receive addition, or so addition will perform only. Because I have not written any code for subtraction, so my quiz will not ask any question for subtraction. See, when I press green flag, it is time for maths. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Now both the sprites has come, subtraction and addition. But when I click subtraction, nothing is there because I have not written code for subtraction. Same code for I have written for subtraction also. And if I want to add multiplication and division, then here only I have to write code for multiplication and division. But later on we will add.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, but when I start my quiz, and after countdown, when both the sprites are here, but when I click addition, it asks addition questions because I have written this code for addition. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, so this code I will send on the WhatsApp. You can practice same code. Okay. To next class, we will complete it and we will add more sound and subtraction tab. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can we leave now, children? Any other doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No other doubt. Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thanks everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.